great day to be alive for a car guy. It's like the 60s on steroids. I mean, you can buy a car that'll turn dead dino sauce into shattered dreams and smoldering hopes of a Prius owner. Hello everybody and welcome back to Average Joe's Garage. Just got a little thing today. I was thinking, RT Life posted up the video about the GT500 and the Demon. Got me to thinking, you know, we really are living in a great time today for us car guys. I mean, it's like the 60s all over again. You know, back in the day, in the 60s, car companies were selling these crazy high horsepower cars because they needed to, so they could race a NASCAR. So they just kept pushing the envelope, pushing the envelope, pushing the envelope. Well, it's like that today. I mean, it's a great day to be alive for a car guy. It's like the 60s on steroids. I mean, you can buy a car that'll turn dead dino sauce into shattered dreams and smoldering hopes of a Prius owner. I mean, it's great. So I was pondering this, thinking, you know, today is like version 2.0. What could possibly be next? I mean, we got the GT500 coming. We don't really know what that's going to be. 750 maybe. Maybe more, maybe less. Who knows? But what happens after that? They keep pushing the envelope today. So who's going to be the first one to 1,000 horsepower? Is it going to be Chevy? Is it going to be Ford? Is it going to be Dodge? Who is going to have the first factory 1,000 horsepower car? That's my question to you guys. Who do you think it's going to be? Is it going to be GM? Is it going to be Ford? Is it going to be Dodge? And what kind of car is it going to be? Is it going to be one of the current models? Or is it going to be something else? So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Maybe at the end of this, we'll tally it all up and see what happens. But until then, Average Joe's out. Please like, subscribe, comment, and even hit the bell for notifications if you'd like to see more from Average Joe's Garage.